Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Waterfall Willow. And you can see here where we've staked it, and from the point where the stakes leave off, this just flows like a waterfall down the stake and onto the ground. And from that point, it just wants to crawl along the ground. Unlike other weeping willows, this waterfall willow, it just starts drooping immediately. There's not, like, if you look at like a golden weeping willow or the traditional Salix babylonica, they will grow to be very large trees because every year it will weep a little bit. But this Salix integra, or the waterfall willow, just immediately wants to go across the ground. So you can see this would be a great plant to weep over rocks from its original point in the ground, or if you need some ground cover somewhere. What a neat tree. But in terms of growing tall or having structure, it just doesn't have it. It's just going to want to grow across the ground. In our willow bed here, the waterfall willow is kind of sandwiched between golden curls and rabbit's foot willow. But it's done okay. You know, it doesn't get as tall, and we definitely needed these stakes to get it off the ground initially. But the foliage is still quite green down here when there's not as much sun, and it's just spreading along the ground. This is waterfall willow, a very unique addition to your garden, and it will not grow upwards at all unless you stake it. It will just droop immediately and want to grow across the ground.